man with the Ripper VUSS. And I'll tell you what, the Ripper was pulling a Ripper skid until that moment there. Play the game here at UBC in Big Mood this afternoon. Right after each other. So, Rowan Burrell in the Ripper VUSS. Once again, big thanks to all of our great sponsors and supporters here for the first. Entry 1, 2, 3, Rowan Burrell coming up right now. The Ripper VUSS. Well, the old Ripper Ute not having too much of a Ripper time out here at the moment. Every time he tosses it about, just goes into stall mode. So, Rowan Burrell not having the best afternoon. The old LS sounding sweet, but just doesn't want to keep running under load. On the starter now. Oh, she doesn't want to engage. Headlights go off. Now we're getting serious. And Ripper is about to get its flogging of its life if he can get that thing up and turning tyres. I don't think it's going to happen for Ripper here this evening, but Rowan Burrell not giving up. Well, I think that's where we're headed.